or flow controls, or we can also say it as control structures in Python. Control structures in Python. Control structures in Python. Okay guys, now we are going to discuss what is the flow control or control structures in Python. We are going to discuss. Fine, very important topic. So the total programming, if you want to become an expert, we are expert in operators. We are expert in data types. Now, like that, we are going to become an expertism in the flow controls. Then once we complete the flow controls or some type of control structures in Python, we are completely eligible to write big applications or any type of application which is coming in real time, we can write. So day by day we are learning new things. We are going to become good students in the interview. So one of our students is attended interview today and he posted some questions which are very easy. For example, they asked features of Python. They asked the features of Python. They asked the features of Python. That questions he posted to me, that are features of Python. Then applications of Python lambda function. Local variable, global variable. Is Python is case sensitive? By indentation error, we are going to get today. How to manage the memory in the Python. So in this, you can answer whatever is completed. You can answer those questions. Applications of Python lambda functions, which are going to be discussed in the functions we are going to get. Local variables, global variables, we are getting in the functions. Is Python is case sensitive, already we covered in the variables rules. Indentation error, now we are going to look into that. Features of Python, already we explained it. How to manage the memory occupancy in the Python, that are all going to coming across. Right? So whatever is discussed, we are able to answer that. Once this course is completed, you can answer those questions like anything. There is no doubt in that. Right. So let us go for the things here. Right. So let us move to the further. Now look at confined to this topic now. Confined to the topic. Last 15 minutes we will go for the doubts. Please confine to that. No more discussion. Let us enter into the new topic here. Right. Fine, ma. Yes. This also. Yes, ma. Naveen, this also asked. Okay. We will discuss all this. Now, we are having purpose, I will tell you. Before the purpose, I will write to you. Before the purpose, we are going to discuss. Purpose of control structures, index I am writing, index. Purpose of control structures. Next, we are going to have types of control structures, types of flow controls. Types of flow controls. Or types of control structures in Python. So there are, all of you, please concentrate, no more chatting here. Look at it. There are 3 types of control structures are available. First we will go for purpose. I am writing indexing only. I am writing indexing. Number 1, that is A, conditional statements. Come on, ma, look at. I will explain one by one. I am writing index. What I am going to discuss in our course, in our flow control. Conditional, also called as what? Selection statements. Also called as branching statements. Branching statements. Under that, we are going to get 3 things more. One is called if. If. Second one is called what? If else. If dot else. We are going to talk about it. Now third one is called what? If dot else. We are going to talk about it. This is called one category. We will learn what is the purpose of this. What is the purpose of it? What is this meaning? When to use what and all those. I am going to discuss. Purpose. And followed by various programs on it. And the second one is called looping statement. Looping. Also called as iterative statement. I am writing indexing. Iterative, oblique what? Repetitive statements. So I am writing repetitive statements. Right. Under that I am writing here. Under that we are having there is one thing called while. One thing called while. There is second one is called what Second one is called for. For. Dear student, special case, while and dot else. Wonderful. To take any person and this for. And this is called what? For. And this is called for else. For else. Wonderful topics. This is an index which I am going to discuss. This is an index which I am going to do. Just index I am writing. There we are going to learn, sir, what is its purpose? What is its purpose? And followed by various programs. Dear students, next we are going to talk about miscellaneous control structures. Miscellaneous control structures. Miscellaneous control structures. Indexing I am talking, so that all the latecomers will join. Right? So, miscellaneous control structures. Under that we are going to get it. We are going to get it. Three things more. One is called break. Second one is called continue. And the third one is called pass. P-A-S-S. Break, we are going to learn. What is its purpose, sir? What is its purpose? Continue, sir. What is its purpose? How to use it in the program? And what is the purpose of it? Purpose of it. And we are going to learn the programming on it. Programming on it. See that how detailedly we are going to programming on it. And pass programming on it. These are all called wonderful topics. Programming. Same here also programming we are going to discuss. This is our index. This is the topic wise indexing. This will take around 4 to 5 days. This will take again 5 days or 6 days. It will take. Because I need to discuss in-depth of. Because we don't want anything as a lightweight discussion. We are going to discuss very detailed part. You already seen that how detailedly we are entering into the subject. When I discuss so deep, you can just play with the interviewer like it. Okay? Right. Let me start. Purpose I am going to go for it. This is my index page. Let us start. Purpose of control structures. Take one small example, all. Very carefully listen. From now onwards, any topic you start listening, our habit is first writing what is the total properties of, what is the total content in that. Then we will go for the content discussion in the class. Okay? Right. So let us take to understand what is the purpose of these control structures. I want to give some general awareness. No need to have any C language, no need to have any C++, nothing. No need to have anything else. Right. So keep all your previous knowledge with you. First, format your previous knowledge, please. Everybody format your previous knowledge. If anybody says previous knowledge you are ready, I will ask the questions. That time you cannot answer anything. Please take my original first-hand knowledge from Python Software Foundation. Okay? It's my request for everybody. Please listen. Okay? Doubts will be last 15 minutes. Because this is the most important topic. Everybody should concentrate like anything. Okay. No more messages to be in the chat window. Listen first. I'll give the time for you, I said. Right. Look. Now, for example, you want to complete, clearly try to understand. I'm going to explain like a spoon feeding. I only will ask you. Any doubts, you can post the doubts. I say, I only will tell you. Listen first. You want to complete BTech. You want to complete BTech. You want to complete what? BTech you want to complete. Or you want to complete MCA. You want to complete MCA. This is called your academic degrees. Academic degrees these are. Carefully understand. Right. To complete these academic degrees, what you will do? Now you post your answers. Whatever you feel, you tell me. I am asking, how do you complete your BTech or MCA? I am asking a question. This is your academic degree. Then tell me how you completed it. If you completed in that general knowledge, you already used the data control structures also inside. General sense I am asking. Right? Mr. C. Durga Prasad is saying that clearing subjects. Okay. Mr. Shiva is saying that by study. Okay. Next. Okay. We have to study, then exams. Okay. Ravanti is saying that. Okay. Next. Only three people are saying. Out of these many people, you are saying only two people. We have to Chris is saying that we have to study. Okay. Then we have to take admission in the college. Yes. Y2meta is saying, take an admission. Take an admission, she is saying. Sravanti is saying that taking the admission. So, yes. So everybody is saying that taking the admission because it is looking nice. Understanding the concepts. Okay. Then next. Okay. Understanding concepts. Okay. Take certification. How to take certification. Okay. To study well. Okay. Right. So I don't like all these points, ma. Because I am always a programmer. I always look into the programming aspect only. I always look into the programming knowledge only. Right? Don't know more postings now. Keep it now. Now I am telling. So one of the student is saying that. Sir, take an admission. Right? Down. Listen now. So I like that word. To complete. This is called my operation. Completing academic degree is called an operation for me. Dear students, listen. To complete any type of operation, definitely if I think keen of observation, two operations will be compulsory available. That is one-time operation. Look at carefully. Look at one-time operation. That is number one. Next, another time is repeated operation. Repeated operation. That is the second operation. One-time operation. Next is called repeated operation. These are the two things. Number one, first one is called what? Repeated operation. Look at it. First time is what? When I want to join BTech or MCA, take admission. Taking an admission is one-time process. Take admission is an one-time operation. Take admission is called one-time operation. So you carefully think, if my rank is 1 to 50, I will get an admission in OU. If my rank is 1 to 50, I will get an admission in OU. If my rank is 51 to 100, I will get an admission in JNTU. If my rank is 101 to 150, I'll get an admission in HCU. Like that. There is certain condition. That means condition means what already discussed. Relational operators or logical operators. Listen carefully. Relational operators or logical operators. Using that condition, when the condition is true, I will do one-time operation. Either I am getting an admission in OU, or I am getting an admission into JNTU, or I am getting an admission into HCU. One time only. These one-time operations can be performed by using conditional statements. Conditional statements are what here? If else. Conditional statements are used for performing one-time operations. Like what? Taking an admission. I will quote some programmatic examples also. Now coming to this. Repeated operation. Go to college each and every day. Go to college each and every day. So, every day. Until course is over. Until number of days of course is over. That is important. Going to college all the days, lifelong, no. Repeated operations means perform certain operations repeatedly until some operations come, until some condition is false. I will go to BTech college. 4 into 365 days I will go. And don't ask me, sir, Sunday also I should go to college. That type of knowledge you don't want. 4 into 365 days I will go to the college. Once this condition is crossing, I will say that my BTech is over. If it is an MCA college, I will go. I will go to MCA college. It is made as 2 years or 3 years, I don't know. 3 into 365 days. What is 3 years? 3 into 365 days, or maybe 2 years if it is 2 into 365. We need not to worry about that. Whatever the number of years are there, that is the thing. Go to college each and every day until course is over. Until course is over. Until course is over. Dear students, try to get it. Try to take this carefully. So, course is over. Now you see, repeated operation, you have to do it as a repeated operation only. One-time operation, you have to do one-time operation only. If you try to cross it, take the admission repeatedly, what will happen? You are in BTech first year only. Go to college only one time, total backlogs will be there. If I take an admission repeatedly, I will be BTech first year. Go to the college only one time, it will be all backlogs will be there. Now I will take one example. I want to read the data from employee table of MySQL database. I want to read the records from employee table of Oracle. I want to open a file where I have some number of records. Open a file. After opening a file, get the records. Get all the records. All the records. One by one until end of file is taking place. I will go on reading repeatedly until end of file is taking place. Dear students, please carefully understand. I want to read the records from the database. Get a DP connection. Get a database connection. One time if I get the database connection, I can read all the records. Get all the records from table until table of records are exhausted, until all records exhausted, until all the records are exhausted. Until all the records are exhausted. Exhausted means what? Completed. See the condition? Until I have, so for example, 160 records. My students are 163. 263 students are there. All the 263 records are there. Until all the records are exhausted, I will go on getting. But I will get the database connection how many times? One time only. See, one-time operations can be performed by what? Conditional statements. Repeated operations can be performed by looping statements. Dear students, if you go for repeated operations one time, you will get the problem. If you do this one-time operation repeatedly also, you will get the problem. Last and finally, I want to read my Python notes. Which is containing 50 pages completed already. In my Python book, 50 pages content is written. Opening the Python notes is one-time operation. Reading first page, second page, third page, 50 pages, I will read it once. Opening Python notes is one time only. Reading all pages is done repeatedly until 50 pages are over. So in my explanation only two things are resembling. One is called one-time operation, one more is called repeated operation. To perform one-time operation, dear students, to perform one-time operation, go for what? Conditional statement. To perform repeated operation, go for what? Looping statements. Now, in-depth of it, in-depth Sheikh Sadiq, spellings and all you don't take, we are not coming here for learning spellings. Right? Don't worry about it. Right? Don't worry about it. Please concentrate on the subject. Right. So coming to the point of it, one-time operations and repeated operations. Right. So one-time operations can be done by what? Done by what? Our looping conditional statements, and repeated operations are done by what? Our looping statements. If I combine the two purposes, we are going to get into what? Purpose. So coming to the purpose of control structures or flow control. Now I am writing control structures are used for control structures are used for control structures are used for performing either one-time operations depends on condition Depends on condition. Condition means what? If it is true, we will do the X operation. If it is false, we do some other operation. If it is true, we do some operation. If it is false, we do some other operation. I hope that you people are following what that condition meaning is. So, depends on condition evaluation. I am saying that. Depends on condition evaluation. Depends on condition evaluation. Evaluation. That means internal handwriting. True or what? False. True or false. So, take this part. Then or perform certain operation. Perform certain operation. Perform certain operation. Repeatedly. Perform some operation repeatedly, not infinitely, repeatedly, for a finite number of times. For a finite number of times. For a finite number of times. Until condition is false. Until condition is false. This is the overall purpose of control success. We completed BTech and all those things. We learned C programming and all those things. But we don't know what is the control success. In my class, you need to learn this perfectly. Tomorrow, compulsory, this is the question. Why do you use control success? Control success means it is a combination of what? Conditional statements are there plus looping statements are there. Why I will use conditional statements? To perform certain operation one time. If it is true, perform X operation. If it is false, perform Y operation. How many times? One time only. If my rank is 1 to 50, you will be admitted in OU. Else, you will be admitted in JNTU. Else, you will be admitted in HCU. Else, you will be admitted in some private colleges. What is this kind of thing? We are performing the operation one time only, not performing the operation repeatedly. That is the purpose. And I will explain one by one with great syntaxes with great program. But looping statements are for what? Perform the operation repeatedly. How many times? For finite number of times. Suppose I want to generate 200 numbers. 1 to 200 numbers I want to generate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. I want to repeat up to 200 times. Starting from 1, repeating by incrementing one by one until what? 200 is coming. It is what operation? Repeated operation. For how many times? 200 times. 200 times is called finite. Infinitely coming, that is called infinite loop. We are not worrying about infinite loop. So, coming to the point back, here I am trying to say, looping statements is used for performing certain operations repeatedly for finite number of times. Conditional statements are used for performing certain operations how many times? One time only. If it is true, perform one operation. If it is false, perform some other operation. I hope that purpose is clear. Come on, please. Make me to confirm, is it clear for you or not? Please confirm your answers. Then you respond it. Are you understanding or not? Yes. Perfect. Now we are going to see, sir, how we are going to do programmatically these things are. We are going to enter into the subject. Right. Now, dear students, come on now. Again, concentrate on the subject. In Python, even in C language also, even in Java also, even in .NET also, control structures are classified into 3 types. We have 3 types of flow controls. They are number 1, which I told you. What is that? Conditional or what? Selection, also called as what? Branching statements. Conditional or what? Branching or selection statements. Next, second one is called what? Looping or what? Iterative or repetitive. Also called as what? Repetitive statements. repetitive statements. This is the second one. Second part of it. We are having subdivisions inside of it. Now third one is called what? Miscellaneous control structures. Miscellaneous. That means we are not using directly, but we are using this miscellaneous in linking with what? Conditional plus looping. So these are voluntarily we cannot write it. These are used as a supplement. As a part of this we use it. As a part of this we use it. Miscellaneous control structures. Miscellaneous flow controls. Miscellaneous control structures. So I am writing here miscellaneous control structures. Control structures. Right? What are those miscellaneous control structures, sir? Number one, that I will write, which I am exclusively discussing in the class. Nothing to worry at this stage. Break, and the second one is called continuum, and the third one is called pause, which I will explain separately. Break heading under that syntax, under that example. Continue. Syntax, purpose, programs. Pause, syntax, purpose, etc. And patterns, programs also I am going to say. Rectangle, how do you, rectangle kind of pattern, right angle triangle pattern. Some patterns are asking in entry point. In written test point of view, patterns are asking. For printing Pascal triangle, printing like a pyramid, printing like a rhombus, stars with star symbols, all those things. Have you heard about that type of patterns or not? Have you heard about patterns or not? Patterns you heard about it or not? Okay, even if you did not heard about it, because I have seen that in many of the interview point of view, those things are going to come, which I will explain. I will make you to understand also. I will explain them also. Nothing to worry about. You please follow my guidelines. I will take care. Now I am going to enter into. These are the things we are going to get it. Purpose we are going to get it. Now I am going to enter into. What statements first we are entering into? Conditional statements. Conditional statements we are going to enter into. How many conditional statements are there? Conditional statements are used for what purpose? Tell me. All of you answer my question then. Conditional statements are used for what purpose? To perform. Don't tell one time. Don't take shortcuts. Don't take. Please explain by yourself as more content person. To perform one-time operation. Depends on condition evaluation. Here I wrote perform one-time operation depends on condition evaluation. If it is true, perform X operation. If it is false, perform Y operation. Perform certain operation repeatedly for finite number of times until condition is false. Until condition is false, we are going to do that type of discussion. So three types of control structures are there. We are going to discuss that part. So three types we are there. We are going to talk about. So under conditional, what are coming? First, I will tell you here called what? Purpose. Look at that purpose. We are going to tell you there. Purpose is what? To perform. See, I am writing. To perform certain operation. I will give you ample of example. To perform certain operation for one time. Perform certain operation one time. Depends on what? Depends on condition evaluation. Condition evaluation. Depends on condition evaluation. In other words, I can write in other words. If the condition is true, if the condition is true, then perform X operation once. Or if the condition is false, I am giving in detail, like a spoon feeding. If the condition is false, then perform Y operation. Some operation I am taking. Y operation. How many times? Once only. We have how many? We have three conditional statements. Three conditional statements. Three conditional statements. They are. We are going to write number one. What is that number one? If. That is called what? Simple if statement. Simple if statement. We can call if statement. Dear student, if is a keyword. If is a keyword. Sir, how do you say it is a keyword, sir? Please show me once, sir. Please go to that Python command prompt. Python command prompt. Here, Python 3.9. See, here. If, I told you already in our classroom, keywords cannot be taken as variables. If is equal to 20, valid or invalid? Please let me know. Valid or invalid? Invalid. Why invalid, please? Why invalid? Because it is a reserved word. It is a keyword. Keyword cannot be used as what? Variable. See that invalid syntax. Invalid syntax. So we told you in the beginning only. Now one more time I am writing. Int is equal to 23. Valid or invalid? Valid or invalid? Valid or invalid? Int is equal to 23. Valid. Sir, why it is valid? Some people are saying int is also keyword. Will you say int is a keyword? It is a class. Very good. It is a class. It is a class. So, sir, show it practically. Change the people's mind. Int. See that? Print what? Print spelling mistake. Print usage. Print. I missed there. Enter. Type of int use. Type of int. Variable int. It is printing. Class int. Int is a class whose object is called int here. See how beautiful thing. So if anybody says int is a keyword, just to give a strong counter. Just to take the example system and show immediately that they don't know Python. Now here, if is there, now you tell me, underscore if is equal to 20. Valid or invalid? All of you. Very good. Super response. Valid. Because underscore is allowed or not allowed? Allowed. Then print of what? Print of underscore if. Underscore if. It is valid. Now one more thing. If underscore is equal to 30. Valid or invalid? Valid. Then printer. Here you printer. This side you write. It is valid. Now you tell me. I underscore if. Valid or invalid? Also valid. See that guys. Print I underscore if. So it is going to be 30. I underscore 30. Write it done. Okay. So you are understanding Python is having simple if statement. Second one is called if dot else statement. What is that if else? What is the meaning of it? I'll explain detail. If dot L if is also keyword. Else is also keyword. If is a keyword, else is a keyword. L if is also keyword. Check it out. L if is equal to 30. L if 30. Invalid syntax. Else is a keyword. Is equal to 50. Keyword. Invalid. So, dear students, this we are going to do. Simple if statement in detail. Simple if statement, if else in detail. If else statement in detail. I just want to go for it. Dear students, write down. Now you write down. Up to here. Write down ma. I am saying that. Write down. Write down whatever I said. Three types of things are there. Now you write down one by one. This first we will write the classification we write. Then we will go for one by one discussion. So miscellaneous kind of what you will write in the bracket only, because otherwise you will get doubt. Sir, what is miscellaneous? In the spot you can understand break and then continue and then pause. Write down purpose you write. Main heading is control structures. Under that you write down control structures are used for what purpose you write. Then I will go for independent discussion of these things. Little bit fast. Please switch off your videos. Please switch off your videos. So if anybody is sleeping in the class, please don't see that videos. Don't post me that messages, please. Please don't because we concentrate on subject. Don't go for the entertainment. Let him sleep. Because of sleeping people, we should not disturb. Okay, please follow that. And don't post me that messages, please. Serious? Done. Mr. Mohammed, some name is there. So there's a main standard thing is ideally that is called Python command prompt, which is coming from the PSF. That is a original thing, not from this PyCharm and all those. PyCharm is called what? Third party IDE. We should not go for that. We should not go for that. I said to you, Python command prompt is the standard IDE coming from the Python software foundation. Okay? Don't go for that type of things. Because they've gone for their customization. We should not go for the PyCharm kind of things. Customization, no. We need to go for standard Python. C Python is going to be important. Are you understanding, Mohammed? Mr. Mohammed. So we should go for things because they won't ask in interview point of view. Sir, in PyCharm how it is, in Spider how it is. They don't ask Mohammed Sadiq. They won't ask you. They will ask you that kind of thing. What we discussed in last class. Understand me, please. Okay. Next, I will go for subheading. You write down conditional statements. Write down heading all of you. Conditional statements. Conditional statements, write down conditional statements, heading. I hope that everybody has done these conditional statements. Everybody has done the conditional statements. I hope that everybody has done it. Everybody has done it. So if you remember me carefully, I will take my original answer once again back. How many Conditional statements here. What is the purpose of conditional statements? Please all of you spell out once. Mr. Satish joining late and then asking me again headings. For one person I have to go for again. So please understand me, Satish. So keep the subheading, heading, whatever you like. I will show you at the end of the class. Please, middle of the class, please don't do now. Heading is to perform one-time operation. That time what is explained for you, I am just pasting that. Satish, don't worry. At the end of the class, I will show you that. So meantime, you keep that one page, you keep empty and write. Purpose of conditional statements is to perform certain operation one time. This is an important. Depends on conditional evaluation. In other words, to perform. In other words, I am writing here. If the condition is true, perform X operation once. Or if the condition is false, perform Y operation. Perform Y operation once. Perform Y. If the condition is false, then perform what operation? Y operation once. X operation or Y operation, we are designing. We will do that. We have three conditional statements. They are, number one is called what? If, simple if else, and then what? If else. Write down this. Heading you write down. Conditional. Main heading is control structures. I said the purpose. I said the types also. Now I am saying the conditional statements. In detail we are going. After completion of it, let me know that complete. Then I will go for detailed discussion about simple if statement. Simple if statement. If else. Akila. If that is for else. Stands for else. I will explain that. Line number 4 is what? To perform certain operation one time depends on conditional evaluation. In other words, if the condition is true, then perform. Then perform X operation. Once only. Or if the condition is false, then perform Y operation once. I wrote in detail like a child level sentence. Because child level sentences are so what do you call attractive. Like that we need to answer in the interview also. Detailed discussion. Not compact things what we do. Yes. So child level words we will interested to listen child words. But our words, if you speak now, they won't listen. Like that, we need to speak like detail in interview point. They like your words because by saying that detailed answers you need. Right. Now I am coming to if statement. If statement. Now, shall I move forward? All of you completed? Yes. Very nice. So you people are giving very fast response. Very nice students. Actually, some of the people, some of the faculty sets are 4 o'clock batch students are generally in all batches. They are sleepy, they will say. But our students are not sleepy. They are very powerful. Yes, ma. Javid, I will teach like anything, ma. Nested if, nested. 10 nested ifs I will teach. Nested again nested. I will take you like anything. Listen. You are not sleepy. That's what. Right. Yes. So okay. Nice. Now because of KVRs or no, don't tell that. Don't praise me. When you praise now, I'm not going to sit on the topmost tree. I will be sitting in my chair only. I'll be sitting in my chair. Even if you praise now, I will not sit on the tree. Because you are also committed, I am also committed. Both of us are committed. Only our work is done, moving forward. Am I right or not? Yes. Now let us start. No, we have to learn. Yes. So Arindam is saying, now or never. Yes, that is the target that I like that word. Yes. Let us come to the subject. Some relaxation purpose I am talking about. Let us come to the topic. Now, simple statement. First, I will talk about syntax. Look at the syntax. Already we learned in C language, but I am telling with my standards. If is a keyword, open the bracket. Now, dangerous concept is coming in Python. Most of the people are getting problem in execution of the Python program because of indentation. There is one beautiful. Actually, indentation is very dead easy. But when you don't understand in the beginning now, it is something like a devil. It is a devil. I'm telling you. Please concentrate very well. I will repeat 20 times, 30 times if you want. Look at test condition. Look at test condition. Test condition is nothing but what I will use. Condition means I will prepare either relational operator or logical operator I will use. Already that operator is completed. A greater than B. One is called what? A less than B. And one more I can write it. This is called a condition. Don't write now. Listen. Keep your pen down and listen. And I will write here what. And I can write. And what I am writing. C greater than D. Like this I may write something I may write it. This is called condition. This is called condition. So like that I am going to write condition. We call it as what today? Test condition, dear students. In our C++ programming, after writing that in Java also, we used to open the bracket and then close the bracket. It indicates when the condition is true, we used to perform this operation. What is that? Statement 1, statement 2, like that I used to write some n number of statements. Some n number of statements I used to write. Look at carefully, statement n, like this. This is called, these statements are doing some operation. These are executing when the condition is true in C++ Java. That means these are all comes under one shoot, one block we can call. Opening bracket, closing bracket indicates that it is a block, making a block as one statement, one block when the condition is true. This is a very good thing for us. Comfortability is there. But in Python, as a professional I am telling to you, it is also good, but they are writing what you know, indentation symbol they are writing, colon they are writing. This is what the pressure is feeling like difficult like anything. Because I have seen when the student is typing the program for some 10 lines, he is struggling a lot to unable to solve the errors. Even he is closing the system down. Now I am telling you, please follow this. Once you start the test condition, in our Python, we don't have the closing curly brace, opening curly brace, closing in Python. That is totally ruled out. We have indentation starts with block of statement. This block of statement 1, statement 2, statement n are comes under the scope of this condition, provided you are leaving 4 spaces here. 4 spaces. Indentation means formatting. First of all, English meaning of indentation is called adjustment. See that once this colon started, automatically if you press enter key, automatically cursor will wait here only. Cursor will not wait here. See my cursor movements, all of you. If I write indentation symbol, if you press enter key, automatically this is moving here only. It is available here only. It is available here only. It is available here only. Ending indentation is not there, ma. This is started here. It is started ending here. Now I am writing. See, parallel to if. See, parallel to if. My statement. Dash. So it is coming out of this statement. Now it is C. It is C. Your parallel to if. Exactly I below this one. Now I will show you that. This is called what? Other statements in the program. Other statements in program. This is what the student is little difficulty. Once you catch now, it is so easy for you. It is so easy for you. It is like a bike only in turning. Some people will have the turning very carefully. Some people will have different turning. Even they fall down also. Because they need to get the nerve of the technique. Come on to the point. Indentation. Once you press enter key in edit plus or any paricham or somewhere, automatically your cursor will be here only. Under the if block will be maintained. Suppose if you want to bring back, you have to press backspace. It will go to parallel to if. Now, see, this line is parallel to if. That is nothing but other statements in the program. Now start with the logic. First of all, are you understanding this? Statement 1, statement 2, statement n are comes under how many spaces? 4 spaces. Minimum 4 spaces. Minimum 4 spaces. Don't try to play with the space bar. If you try to play with the space bar, you will also struggle like it. I am telling you. Use a tab and backspace. Use a tab and backspace. Indentation. How many space you will use? Don't count with the space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pressing now. Tab. Your cursor is waiting here na? Press tab. Tab will give you 4 spaces minimum. It will give 5 spaces also no problem. 6 spaces also no problem. 10 spaces also no problem. But minimum how many you need to give? Come on, tell me. Indentation spaces are how many? 4 spaces. Indentation is nothing but something like a opening brace and closing brace of other languages. Nothing. Come on. To the point now. Execution. Now I am explaining the execution here. Come on. To the point. If condition. If the condition is true, execute statement 1, statement 2, statement n. How many times? How many times? Tell me. How many times? Huh? N times. What? Stop it all of you. Statement 1, statement 2, n statements are executed. How many times? Once. 4 spaces. What is that? Statement 1, statement 2, statement n. Once the test condition is true, execute statement 1, statement 2, statement n. How many times? One time. Dear student, please understand me. One time. And execute other statements in the program. It will continue. Execute other statements in the program. Take one best example. You took a, you want to go to a movie. You You already booked a ticket. Now, if the person who is waiting at the door, what he will do? What he will check? Please tell me. What he will check? Do you have ticket? They will ask. What is your answer? Do you have ticket? Do you have ticket? Yes. Enter. Watch the movie. Statement 1, statement 2, statement n. Is nothing but movies. Movie you are watching. All the songs you are watching. Movie you are watching. After that, where you will go? Other statements. Other statements you are going to the home. Other statements are called going to the home. Okay, now? Next. If condition. Do you have ticket? Do you have ticket? No. No. Yes is over, boss. Do you have ticket? No. You thought that what? After going there, I will buy the ticket. Do you have the ticket? No. That means what is not executing? No movie. They will not allow you. You are going to where? You are going to where? Home. That means going to home is compulsory. Without ticket, go to home. With a ticket, watch the movie and go to home. That is, going to home is called other statements in the program. Now, if I come to the diagram also, if I come to the diagram, let me write the diagram here. Dear students, let me write the diagram. Flowchart for if statement. Because some students may be new for this area of Python. For them, I am giving a detailed and spoon-feeding level of explanation. Now I am giving entry. I am taking here. What is it? If I am taking, if statement I am giving, here I am writing, like this. Now, right, here I am writing, test condition, dear students, test condition, here I am writing, test condition. I am writing test condition. Now I am saying that it is a question mark. Thereafter that I am writing here. What is that? True. And then what mark? False. True and false. This is called true. This is called true. And this is called false. This is called false. Once it is true, what should I do? Once it is true, what should I do? Execute. What is that? Statement 1, statement 2, statement n. I will write here. See, execute. I will write. Execute. Block of statements. Instead of that, I will write statement 1. Because first time you are learning now. That's why I am writing. Execute. Statement 1. Statement 2. So on. I will write what? Statement n. I will write here. Statement n. I will write here. Statement n. Yes. After that, you are having what? Some other things are there. What is that now? Execute other block of statements. This is called execute other block of statements. I am writing here execute other block of statements. Execute other statements in the program. Other statements in program. Other statements in program. Beautiful. Other statements in program. Come on. False means what you will do, ma? False means what you will do. Execute other statements. Take your control back for every diagram. From now onwards, I will give this type of explanation. Right? And don't test my drawing skills, ma. I'm just trying to give you more perfectly this diagram. So, I written this. Is the diagram is clear? Difficult? Is the diagram is understandable, ma? Is the diagram is understandable? Do you understand the concept now? Do you understand the concept now of statement? Indentation. How many spaces you will maintain for indentation, ma? How much space? 4 spaces. What you will press? Space bar or tab? Space bar or tab? Don't play with space. If you press space now, you will get difficulty. KVR sir will remember you. You will remember KVR sir said that don't press space bar. If you press space bar, you are buying the problem with your own. Right. Please, coming back to this. Now I am coming to that. Explanation I will give you. See, how to explain in the interview point of view. Interview will not be pen and paper for you to draw the diagram. For you need to understand. Here, ma, see. Here, test condition, evaluated first. Right. Here, if I am writing, if test condition is true, is what? True. Then PVM. What is PVM? I forget. What is PVM? You also forget. So both of them, very good. Python virtual machine. Okay, that I like it, but it is an execution environment. Python virtual machine, I like it, but you need to say it is a program in Python software which will execute your bytecode of your Python program into the machine understandable code. Test condition. If test condition is true, then PVM executes. What? State. I will write block of statements. Block of statements. Block of statements in the bracket. If you want, execute statement 1, comma statement 2, so on, statement n. Statement n in the bracket known as what statement? Block of statements. So carefully. If test condition is true, then execute PVM executes. Then PVM executes. Statement 1, statement 2, statement n, known as block of statements. Next, if I will write one more here. If block of statements and also executes what other statements in the program. Other statements in the program. If test condition is false, tell me. If test condition is false, what will happen? If test condition is false, what will happen? Tell me. If test condition is false, only what will execute? PVM executes what? Other statements in the program only. Other statements in the program only. Without executing what? Block of statements. Block of statements. Without executing block of statements. Do you understand this behavior? Do you understand how if statement is executed? Dear students, just to confirm. Clarity is coming. Are you getting clarity? Shall we do one program on this? Now I will show you. I will show you the indentation. More clarity I will do for indentation. Look at. Now you will go for the indentation. Diagram is there. Everything is there with you. Everything is there with you. Okay. So if you want one more time, because I want to spend more time on this, because indentation is a new concept you got today. See 1 minute I will take like this. Please look at once. Syntax I will write here, because you will get clarity. If I am writing test condition. Why I am writing you can understand now. Indentation. See, I am maintaining. See, exactly under if. So you are maintaining some space. There you are writing. This is called space. There you are maintaining. Statement 1. Don't press space there, ma. This is my advice. Statement 2. So on. Statement n. After parallel to that if, you are writing. Because I have not seen any student who will execute the particular program. Operators and all these things are very simple. What is there? Very simple. Now here I will just take little down. I will take little down and other statements in the program. See how much I am just keeping the work for you. Other statements in program. Other statements in program. This is called other statements in program. I hope that you people are following. Other statements you have like this. So in this place, what you are supposed to maintain? Some gap is there. That gap is there. These block of statements are comes under indentation. This is known as which symbol? This is known as which symbol? Indentation symbol. Indentation symbol. I will write indentation symbol. Indentation symbol. I will write a symbol. And these things are known as what? These things, indentation block. I will write here only. This is known as what? Indentation block. This is known as what? Indentation block. 1 minute. This is known as indentation block. Comes under if statement. Here I will write indentation block. Indentation block. Comes within if. Indentation block comes in if. Comes within if statement. Right. So better you take the syntax. Better you take syntax like this. Even in your notebook also, try to write like this only. Try to write like this only. So syntax for SYNTAX. 1 minute. SYNTAX. 1 minute. I will write syntax. See, I am writing so many colors and all. Why I am writing? Because to take your attention towards my class. It is called a flow chart of if statement. Flow chart of if statement. Right. Now I am asking you, first heading is if simple if statement you need to. So already you kept syntax if statement you kept. Syntax also okay, but here I wrote more user friendly syntax. You write down the syntax, ma? Write down the syntax, all of you. Write down, ma. Start writing. Indentation symbol. Indentation blocks comes within if. Other statements in the program parallel to if exactly. And you cannot measure with the scale and all. Use backspace and tab. They are going to save your program like anything. They are going to save you. First syntax, later you take flow chart of if statement. So I missed there T. Take care, ma. Take care that flow chart of if statement. This is called entry. This is called entry. Right, ma, completed. Right, ma, completed. Flowchart also completed. Both you need to complete. So now by looking at this flowchart only, you can have the self-explanation. Self-explanation you can give it. So once you complete it, I will show you the program also. I will take one program also, indentation related program. I am switching this screen within 15 seconds. Still, if anybody is writing, you can stop me. Okay, very nice, ma'am. I am not very clear. Okay, nice. Good. Once you write, you only will try to explain by yourself. How sorry is explained. Like that you explain it to yourself. So your presentation skills will improve. Tomorrow if you go to an interview, you will easily answer. Anvesh Spain. Anvesh, do you have your friend in 6 o'clock? Milan Spain. Is your friend? Anvesh Spain. Is your friend Milan Spain? No? Okay. Saipun Ray is there. In a morning batch. Is your friend? Okay, no, they are not your friends because the last word is there, Spain. Which place you are, Anvesh? Which place you are? Okay, Odisha. Okay, those people also from Odisha. Saipun Ray, Milan, Spain. You are also one more. Okay, very good. Nice to see you. Okay, next you write explanation. That I will show you, Durga Prasad. I will show you Durga Prasad. Don't worry. Right. Durga Prasad. I will explain. Don't worry. You don't predict anything by yourself. I will show you. Don't use your own medicine. I will use the medicine. I will bring a glass of water with a tablet. How to take before the lunch, after the lunch, through lunch. How to take. I will take everything. I will take up to your enter into your mouth. Digestive system is yours. I will take glass also. I will take tablet also. Everything is mine. You just observe it. Right. Now take the explanation. Take the explanation. Okay. Sadik. Right. Sadik. Okay. Right down. Sadik, you are saying something. Okay, nice. Right. Explanation, right, ma. Because I am going to tell that only, and people they are very excited to ask. I am going to tell that. And they will ask the same thing. So that sometimes I will feel that is my brain is there with the student or what, sometimes I will feel like that. Yes, ma'am. Pradeep, exactly, Pradeep. Pradeep, exactly. You are correct. Okay, after completion of explanation, please let me know that completed, then I will go to the program. King, you are one more student is there. King. So King is the south. Is from which state? King. Okay, Pradeep. Thank you, ma. King is from which place? Okay, ma. Maharashtra. Okay. Fine. Nice. Yes, ma. Venu is very good. Thank you, ma. Thank you. So you are feeling more happy with it. Please intimate to many of the people. Intimate to many of the people so that we can save that. We can save. We are making everybody to be employed. Let them enjoy. Let them save our people instead of getting wrong things into their brain. Let them save by giving good content. Recommend our batches. Tell them what is going on. Complete them, all of you? Right. Done. Thank you. Now we will go for it. Thank you, ma, for your compliments. Let me move to the program. Now I am going to show you. The first program. Small example with indentation. How the indentation works. I am going to show you. Then I will go for the other examples. Right. So first of all, am I clear about the if statement execution, if statement indentation, if statement explanation, if statement flowchart and all? Please let me know that once, sir. Please. Okay, fine. Is my voice is clear for everybody? Okay, it's a hit that key ma, mutable key. Okay, Satish, okay, nice. So let me move forward ma. Now program I am going to introduce. New and then others. Now others. Look at Python. All of you keep your pen and pencil down and then watch on the board. So, test.py. I am taking test.py. Now I am taking test.py. All of you keep your notes down. Keep your notes down, ma. Now I am writing the program. Now, coming to the program now. If here you see print. See where I am writing? Indentation I am writing. So indentation I am writing. What is that indentation? Please watch it. See, I am writing from the top left corner. Once again, I want to show you. Right. So. See, printer, I am writing, I am from beginning of IFO. Or from beginning of program, I am writing. Just to see a small kid, how you will write the code, I am just showing. See, I am starting from the left, there is no gap between the two, line number 2 and this. Suppose if I give a small gap, you will get error. Even that error, nobody can find also, except the programmer. And key na programmer also. I am giving a small space. Use me the test.py. Save your program. Go to the place. Go to the place of G and then Python. It is my classroom system I am using. I am using my classroom system. We brought it 2 days back. I am using this. Flow control. I am using flow control. Flow control is my folder. Under that I am using test.py. See, everything you observe it, because while you are practicing, KVR is not there with you. You need to practice by yourself. Coming to the CMD, now G:CD, KVR Python, 4 p.m. 4 p.m. Say now, pi test dot pi. See the error. Where it is? Okay. Flow control. Now see that. Test dot pi. See, beautiful error. What is that error now? All of you, what is that error? All of you, I'm going to say. Right. So, please observe that error. Which error that is? Which error that is? So, coming to the problem, indentation. What is unexpected indent? Line number 2. You just study. Understand how to solve your errors. Here, there is no space is meaning you don't understand. Line number 2, indentation error. Go back. Here you see. Line number 2, there is an indentation. Now you press backspace. It will be placed. Sit in its place. Yes, ma. Naveen. That's what. Naveen, you tell me. This question also asked. Now you understand or not? Now did you understand or not? Yes. Is it easy to answer or difficult to answer, Naveen? Tell me, ma. Is it easy to answer or difficult to answer? Easy to answer. Now, Naveen, tell me, ma, easy to answer. How do you answer? If you give unwanted spaces, unintended spaces, you will get what? Indentation error. When do you get indentation error, sir? That is the question. Naveen got it today in the interview. When do you get indentation error? When you give unintended spaces, we will get indentation error. When do you get indentation error? Whenever we give unintended spaces, we will get indentation error. Okay, we understand, sir. Now you write if return true. See, true. Capital T na small tree na. All of you. Capital T or small true. Capital T or small t. Oh, very good. Now it is what, ma? True. If true, capital T, then only it will come in different color. True. If true, I will say. If true, I will say. See, I am not doing anything. Just press enter key. It is exactly standing in the exact position. If you try to play with the space bar and all, you will get lot of difficulties. You are buying the difficulties on your own. That time I am not responsible. See, indentation. If you press backspace, it will sit in its original place. If you press tab space, it is there in its correct place. If you try to play with the space bar, you are buying the problems with your own hands. Why I am addressing the same thing now? Because indentation error generally people can't answer properly. If we give unintended spaces, unwanted spaces, unnecessary spaces, we will get the indentation error. Dear students, printer. What is that? HYD. See again, printer. Mumbai. I'm giving Mumbai. I'm giving. Next printer. I'm giving what? Bangalore. Now I'm giving. Now I'm coming out of the indentation. Backspace. Printer. I'm giving Pune. Now you tell me the answer. Already you heard about my topic now.
Expectation.
Now please. All of you, please mute by yourself. Come on. Again, noise is coming up. Please mute ma by yourself. Oh, okay. Now it's okay. Okay, ma. Now tell me. Please don't unmute by yourself, please. Come on. Tell me the output, ma. Tell me the output, please. HYD, Mumbai, Seema, code. If true. Okay, leave it. Now I am explaining. If true. Okay, leave it. I am coming to the beginning of the program. Answer is what? I am from beginning of the program. That will come. If true. True means what? Execute the statement 1, statement 2, statement 3. Executed or not? If true means what? Execute the statements or not? What is the answer? HYD, Mumbai, then Bangalore will come. After that, what will happen? Other statements in the program will execute or not? Come on, no? Other statements in the program will execute or not? Execute. What is the output is coming? Pune also will come. What is the complete answer? Complete answer. I am from the beginning of the if statement, HYD, Mumbai, Bangalore, Pune. Because it is conditional. You see, execute your program. Now, see, execute. Test. I got what? HYD, Mumbai, Bangalore, Pune. All will come. Dear student, now you go. Now I am taking what, ma? Now I am executing what? False. Because your life is changing only because of that. Yes, ma. Akila, I am coming to that, ma. When I write there, you are asking. I am there in your brain. Come on, answer please. I am explaining all possibilities. Now what is an answer? First, I am from beginning of the program that it will execute. Since it is false, intended block of statements will not execute. See, concept you see, ma. Concept you see. If the condition is, if the test condition is false, PVM executes other statements in the program only without executing block of statements. These block of statements will not execute. These block of statements will not execute. Good. Right? Come to the point. Because this is all going to be a written test kind of Pune. See that, save this program, execute this program. Now see that answer. What is coming? I am from beginning of the program. What is an answer, ma? Pune. Are you getting or not? Now next I am writing one more thing here. One more thing I am writing. See carefully. Now I am writing. Now I am taking one statement out of indentation. What is an output then? What is an output, all of you? Bilal, don't tell. Please understand. Bilal. See there, if false, by standard false means what? Block of statements will not execute. What is executing? Print Bangalore and Pune will execute. Other statements in the program. See, execute. See, execute this now. I will take. See, answer is what? Bangalore and Pune. I am from beginning of the program. Bangalore and Pune. Got it out. See, next, see what I am doing. I will take Mumbai also out. Tell me the output. I am from beginning of the program. Other statements in the program. I can my indentation. Don't want to execute. Save this program and see. I got it. Execute. See, Mumbai, Bangalore, Pune. Now, dear student, now I will write it through again. What is an output, please? What is an output, please? Output. See, all will come. See, why you are seeing only this, I don't know. See, why I wrote explanation. See, line number 27, explanation. If test condition is true, then PVM execute all statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, block of statement, and also execute other statement in the program. Why you are hurrying, ma? Those who said wrong, please rectify. You need to. Why I explained the concept first? Why I explained the concept to answer perfectly. Diagram I said. Diagram beautiful diagram I said. If it is to execute the block of statements, execute other statements in the program also. Still some of the people are giving wrong answers. Please train now. Save this program. See, okay, I did not save this code. Let me save this code once more. Save it. Control S. Now execute. Now execute. See the answer. HYD. I am from beginning of the program. HYD Mumbai, Bangalore, Pune. Mumbai, Bangalore, Pune. Are you able to understand me? Are you able to understand me or not? Yes. Any difficulty? No. I will do like this. I am taking everything under indentation. See, indentation. Tell me, what is an output now? What is an output now? What is an output? Okay. Right. All are printed. All are printed. 1 minute. All are printed. Nice answer. Now I am writing. False. What is an output? What is an output? Output. See, don't apply be intelligent. First line is printed or not? I am from beginning of the program. And no more output will be printed. Only beginning statement, line number 2 is printed. And below statements will not print. No output will come below. Only the first line will come. Save this program then. Save this program then. See the output of it. I am from beginning of the program. No output will come. Now first tell me, am I clear or not clear? Am I clear or not clear? It's clear. Clear na? Right. So now this is clear. Now, more examples we will do in the tomorrow's class. Tomorrow's class I will do more number of examples. Today you don't worry because time is almost getting over. Tomorrow's class I will go for getting. So, dear student, what is none? None is called what? None is called what, ma? Dear student, what is none? None is nothing but what? Nothing. None is the value of nothing. None is the value of nothing. None means what? Nothing. False only. Zero only. That is nothing but other statements only will exist. Also good question. Good doubt. If I give 0, what is an answer? If I give 0, what is an answer? If I give 0, what is an answer? Pune. Why? 0 is Pune. Why, ma? Why 0 is Pune? 0 is false. Now I will write. 123. What is 123? So 123 is non-zero. Non-zero is nothing but what? True. 0 is what? False. 123 is what? False. I can write 1 also. 1 means what? True. You can get all the values like this. We can explain like that. You will become intelligent in that case. Right. Now you will give minus 123. Minus 123. Come on, minus 123. It is true only. Non-zero is also called true. Already we explained this type of thing in our conversion process. See that? Beautiful. Right. See, once we start entering into the subject, so many things. Why, ma? 257 is also called what? Integer value only. Non-zero value only. See, NV Sai. It is 257 I gave. NV Sai. It is also value only. It is a numeric value. Non-zero value. Okay, true only, ma. Okay. Now he is asking, if somebody is asking, space within the space is asking. What is that? Within the space I am asking. What is that? It is also one value or not? It is also one value. It is true. It is a true. See. Excellent. Now he is giving, somebody is asking 0B1111 0B1111. What is an output? 0B1111. So see that is going to be true. Excellent. See how beginning. Right. So excellent answer is coming. 0B000. 0B000. What is an answer? Anything you give me. 00000. Be careful. 0B000 is called what? False. So answer is what? False. 0B000 is what? Zero. Like that you can give anything. Now you are flourished with a good knowledge. Suresh Vella. So he is asking one doubt. 0B1111. Doctor. 0B1111. Valida, invalida? Error it is. Why? I told you already in the class, because binary values are not allowed for. Binary values are not allowed for floats. Excellent. Finished. Take rest then. Take rest then. Tomorrow class we will go for it. Take rest. Tomorrow class we will move forward. Already almost the time is over. Thank you. Good day for all of you. Please read the notes. Whatever I said. Okay, I will upload the notes.